everyone, how to recover from a losing streak without blowing your account is what I'm talking about in this video. How do you recover from a losing streak in the forex trading account without blowing your account? Many people have had the experience of blowing the account and have experiences of a losing streak in forex. So they lose this trade, they lose this one, they lose this one, like 3, 4, 5 trades at a go. They're losing, and they're losing 1% here, 2% here, 1% here, 2% here, and before you know it, you've lost 10% of your capital. How do you recover from this losing streak without blowing your account? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. You need to know that every forex trader, beginner or professional, will experience losing streaks. Losses are not a sign of failure. Poor reactions to losses is the sign of failure. The losses itself are not the sign of failure, but the reaction, the poor reaction to those losses, what shows that you are a failure. What separates consistent traders from blown account is the ability to recover calmly, strategically, and patiently after a drawdown. Now, number one thing you need to do is to pause and stop trading temporarily. The first and most important step after a losing streak is to step away from the market. Why this matters? This prevents revenge trading. In the process of you trying to do revenge trading, you may lose more and then blow the account. And then because you want to do revenge trading, you will not be settled, you will not be taking good decisions because you want to revenge. You are going back to the market in anger that this market, what you took from me, I want to take it from you. Whereas the market does not respect that. What the market respects is calculated response to its activities. Then this matters also because it breaks emotional cycles. Already you are emotionally one way, and then you step back, then you can see things clearly. Then it also protects your remaining capital. Professional traders know when not to trade. Then you need to reduce your risk immediately. When you return to trading, lower your exposure. The best practices are cut risk per trade by 50% or more. Then trade small lot sizes like I do. I trade small lot sizes. I just take a little here, a little here, a little at this time, and then it matches up after some time. Then focus on capital preservation. Lower risk buys you time to regain confidence and clarity. Now, you need to review your trading journal objectively. A losing streak often reveals system weaknesses or discipline lapses. So, what do you review? Where rules followed consistently. Where rules followed consistently, if they were, then that is good. If they were not, then you look at how you can correct that. Were losses caused by strategy or emotions? If they are caused by strategy, you need to go and look at that strategy again. If they are caused by emotion, you may need to change and put yourself in proper emotion anytime you want to trade. Then did market conditions change? If it did, then that may be the reason, and you have to be watchful. So look for patterns, don't look for excuses. Then go back to your trading edge. Avoid experimenting during recovery. Focus on your highest probability setups. 1 or 2 currency pairs. Focus on 1 or 2 currency pairs. Then familiar market conditions. You see, when I came back to profitability level in FX trading, I focus on Euro USD. I focus on Euro USD because I've asked somebody to trade an account for me about 2 years ago, and the only thing it was doing was Euro USD. So when I came back, I learned, I made a lot of mistakes in the past. I came back, I've made money, I've lost money. I came back making money all throughout this year and the past year. What I did was to focus on Euro USD. Sometimes I trade USD PPY. I trade like the one I just traded last was USD PPY. I closed it in profit. I also traded the GBP USD. Sometimes I trade some other account if I see the exact setup I'm looking for there. So I have my setup, but the main one I have my setup on is Euro USD, and then I analyze different markets. Based on the analysis, Euro USD has a clear direction for me, so I trade it mostly. But I also trade some others. The formula is the same. The formula I use is the same across board, but I just focus on Euro USD, but I trade others also. So you have to go back to your trading edge. Then your highest probability, then 1 or 2 currency pairs. Then familiar market conditions. Consistency beats complexity. during recovery. So you have to be consistent. Now, you have to also avoid revenge and overtrading. Trying to win back losses quickly is the fastest way to destroy an account. When you make some losses, you want to win back. That's why I said when you make losses in the forex trading account, stop trading. When you make a profit also, stop trading. Take a break. Just go off. Then come back, analyze the market again and enter. But some people always trading. That is over trading. So you should avoid it. So over trading weakens you, and revenge trading also weakens you and may make you to blow your account. To avoid this, set a daily trade limit. So set a trade limit every day. That okay, I just want to make 2% of this capital today, or 1% today. If you are making 1% of your capital in 20 days, you make 20%. And most times I set a plan to win 1% or 2%, I exceed it. Most days I exceeded. Some days nothing comes, some days you're in losses, but most times I exceed what I set. Then stop trading after one loss. Then trade only when conditions are very clear. The market will always be there. The market is running away. The market cannot lose its capital. The market is there every time. So, but if you lose your capital, the market keeps going there. You are the one that are out of the market. So preserve your capital and you'll be glad to do. Then reset expectations and accept drawdowns. Losses are part of the probability game. Understand that even profitable systems have losing streaks. Drawdowns do not invalidate a strategy. Long-term consistency matters more than short-term results. Acceptance restores discipline. Then rebuild confidence gradually. You need to rebuild your confidence gradually. Rebuild your confidence. Confidence returns through small, controlled wins. Then how to rebuild this confidence? Trade micro or demo lots. Focus on process, not profits. Then celebrate rule following, not money made. So celebrate that, okay, I followed my rule. Don't just celebrate the money that you made. So that is something that you need to take note of. Confidence follows discipline, not the other way around. Now, you have to strengthen risk controls also. A losing streak is feedback. It is not punishment. Improve this by tightening risk limits, improving stop loss placement, then adjusting position sizing. Better protection leads to better performance in forex trading. The important thing, don't lose your capital. I keep saying that. Don't lose your capital. Don't lose your capital. If you lose your capital, you will cry in the forex market. In conclusion, recovering from a losing streak is not about trading harder. It is about trading smarter. The goal is not to recover losses quickly, but to survive, stabilize, and rebuild. In forex trading, accounts are blown by emotions, not losses. Traders who respect risk, stay disciplined, and remain patient always give themselves a chance to come back stronger. So I believe you are going to give yourself a chance in the forex market to come back stronger, and this is the time you can do that by maintaining good risk management and being careful as you trade the forex market. Now, if you have capital and you want somebody to trade the market for you, you can contact me and I'll be glad to help if you do not really have time to trade or you don't have the strategies to trade. So, and if you are on a losing streak, the choice is yours. Follow what I've said here and then get back. So that time that you are trying to settle down and do other things, you can give me the username and the password to that trading account where you see out some money there. Then I can build it up, and any profit I make on the account, you will withdraw it. You know, it is in your account. I just have username and password to the trading account, not to the main account, just for the trading platform. Then I can make some percentage on the account, and any percentage I make as profit, we are going to share it 50-50 in the ratio 1-to-1. So if you're interested in this, please contact me and let us discuss. So you are the one that will draw the profit, and then you send mine to me. My name remains Dr. Olubunka, and on this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money online and how to make money offline. If you have any question or comment for me, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be there to respond to the question or to the comment. So this is all for now, and I believe that you have gained value. So more pips, make pips, keep pips, and repeat. This video popping up by the side for my channel is the next one you need to go ahead and watch right away. Go ahead and watch this video now. I'll see you in the next one. More pips.